Hello everyone, this is Zishan and today in this video I will teach you how to fix the iPhone keeps restarting or rebooting problem. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, the first solution is update your iPhone. Occasionally the software update fix the issue that's causing your iPhone to restart. To find out the software update on iPhone, open Setting app. Then come down below and tap General. In the next page, tap Software Update. So guys, if software update is available on your iPhone, then tap Download and Install button to install software update. If this method doesn't work on your iPhone, then go to the next solution. Solution number 2, turn on low power mode. To turn on low power mode on iPhone, firstly go to setting page. Then swipe down below and tap on battery. Here turn on low power mode at the top of the page. So guys, if this method also not working on your iPhone, then try the next solution. Solution number 3, restart your iOS device. To restart iPhone, firstly you will have to go to the setting page. Then swipe down to find General and tap General. In the next page, swipe down to find Shutdown and tap Shutdown. Now drag the slider left side to right. Wait for few seconds and turn on your iPhone again by press the power button. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new latest updates. Thanks for watching.